This is our teaching kitchen today. This is a collaboration with UAB and Asian Student Association.
We're doing everything in small batches.
You learn how to make sushi. We have 36 students total doing this. Everything's provided for you, it's free.
And we're going to call it about a tennis ball of rice. Try to lay it down on the outside of your nori. It should be about 1/4 of an inch thick.
Purpose is to learn how to make sushi and learn the culture of sushi as well.
Flip it over on your board so it's on the outside.
I love sushi, and I've always wanted to learn how to make my own sushi, and learning new skills like this is very helpful.
Given these nice strips of cucumber, we're going to cut them into thirds.
I would love to see more of these kind of events, especially related to other cultures. We have a very diverse campus. Embracing all those different cultures and connecting with all of the different groups we have on campus, I definitely think we should do more of that.
As far as putting all the ingredients in, fine with that. Once it came to the rolling, I was not confident in what I was doing.
Try not to saw back and forth, try to do it in one motion.
I never made sushi before, so it was a great experience for me. And I heard my peers right next to me saying I wish they had more of this stuff, so it gave me more insight of what students would like.
And then from there it should roll.
Offering new skills for students to learn is a brilliant thing to do. I really enjoyed it, and who doesn't love a free class? So.
Okay, I hope students take away from this experience what they learned and the history behind it, and remember how fun it was to do this event, so they can look forward to future events.